Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's tutorial, and in this episode of Alex's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a logo using 3 shapes. That is right, in this episode of Alex's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a logo using 3 shapes as you see here. So you can always access the shapes using the shape shape tool, or the rectangular tool that you see on the menu. You can always have a circular shape, square shape, and triangle shape. The rule here is that you can adjust them to any size that you want, but this is an inspiration that I got from Logo6 Instagram page, and I'll be showing you how I would do it according to their rules set for them. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. So I hope you enjoy this video, and just sit back and relax. So we will start off with a circle here, a square, and a triangle. And let's see if for this you can always have a same stroke that you see here. So don't mind that if you see a different size stroke than the other shapes. At the end of this logo design will have these shapes with the same logo stroke, with the same stroke size, that is, for this logo. So we came up with a bicycle logo. Just remember that you can build any logo, not just for a bicycle logo, but you can also always build a logo for a house, a car, or anything by using these free shapes. Pretty amazing how in the design process that uh, we have so many ideas, but this is a simple step in creating a logo, a quick and easy logo. If you can do it under, if I can do it under 10 minutes, so can you. You have to think simple, easy and simple, and don't get too frustrated when you're, for example, dealing with a client or an assignment. So I hope you find this guide useful. You can always build a logo design out of using three shapes. Always keep in mind that just keep it simple and keep it linear. It's like this exercise is like a Lego building exercise that you can take Lego pieces and create a new design. Same thing with these shapes. It's kind of like playing with Lego that you are able to create new design. So comment in the comment section below on what you think about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's tutorial, and I'll see you on next one.